Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to enable live data on Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll be showing you this in the client portal, which works on any browser. First, log into your Interactive Brokers client portal. Once you're in, you'll see your account overview with your portfolio positions and net liquidation value. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen for a user menu icon that looks like a head and shoulders silhouette. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear with several account options. From that drop-down, select Settings. This opens your user settings page where you can configure various account features. In the user settings menu, go to Trading Platform, then select Market Data Subscriptions. This screen shows your current subscriptions, your subscriber status, whether you're classified as non-professional or professional, and which account will be billed. In the Current Subscriptions panel, look for a gear icon in the title bar. Click that Configure icon. This opens the Configure Market Data screen, where you'll choose which data packages to subscribe to. At the top of this screen are tabs for different platforms and regions. Select the Platform tab. You need TWS Platform is for standard trading, Alternative Display is for tools like NinjaTrader or Excel, and Non-Display is for API trading applications. Then select your Region tab underneath. Once you've selected your platform and region, checkboxes will appear next to different market data packages. Use these checkboxes to subscribe to the data you need. Select the packages based on what you're trading, US equities, options, futures, and so on. Some selections might require you to review and sign agreements. You can continue selecting different regions and packages across multiple tabs. When you're done subscribing to everything you need, click the Continue button at the bottom. The next screen shows all your selected market data subscriptions for review. Double check that everything looks correct. If it does, click Continue. If you need to make changes, click back and adjust your selections. If you don't have the Secure Login system enabled for two-factor authentication, you'll receive an email with a confirmation number. Enter that number in the confirmation field, then click Continue. If you do have Secure Login enabled, you might skip this step entirely. A couple of things to note. Your subscription activates immediately under normal circumstances, and the delayed market data you've been seeing will be replaced with real-time quotes. Market data subscriptions are charged per user and aren't prorated, so if you subscribe mid-month, you'll pay for the full month. Also important, if you don't log into Trader Workstation for 60 days, your subscriptions will automatically terminate. Thanks for watching.